So what should you eat when you're dealing with any kind of bone issue and you want to make sure that your bones stay strong? Well, there's certain nutrients that are crucial, and there's certain foods that you can then focus on in order to be able to get these nutrients. Like, for instance, vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial to create that collagen, strong collagen structure. And you have foods like kiwi, oranges, grapefruits, and also potatoes, for that collagen production. And then also it can add sea greens, like nori, wakame, dulse, kombu, or kelp for those bone minerals. And then you want to make sure that you support then the utilization of these minerals. And you can use then these vitamins like vitamin D, K, to boost hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and DHEA. All of these are prime bone supports to make sure that the minerals go into the bones. And eat foods that are really high then in calcium and magnesium and potassium. You have foods like broccoli, fish, other seafoods, eggs, yogurt, kefir, carrots, dried fruits, sprouts, miso, beans, leafy greens, also tofu, bananas, apricots, molasses, and avocado. I mean, all these are just loaded with these minerals, and it's much better to get it from a food source because it comes along with all these other cofactors that you need in order to be able to utilize the nutrient properly. And cut down then on your protein intake, from red meats and dairy foods, because they actually disrupt the pH balance and lead to more bone loss. And the way that do that is that they make your system more acidic. And when you are more acidic, then the body will then neutralize those acids using those minerals which are alkaline. And also then get then also some nutrients and get the proteins from fresh fish and vegetables and sea greens instead. Pasteurized milk is not really a good source of absorbable calcium, and they can actually interfere with mineral assimilation. So instead, drink juices like carrot and orange instead. I mean, 1 ounce glass of fresh carrot juice has about 400 milligrams of bioavailable calcium. And you have then compare that to an 8-ounce glass of fortified milk, and it has 250 milligrams with a very low assimilation. Also then avoid sugars, high salt foods, and other snack foods, and any kind of processed foods. The sugar, just like the acidic foods that I was talking about, it will actually pull minerals and pull nutrients out of the bone, so it actually leach the calcium and all these nutrients out of your bones. Stay away from alcohol, especially the hard liquor, caffeine foods, tobacco, and also some of the nightshade plants, which are the tomato, eggplant, pepper, and the white potato. These can also interfere then with the calcium absorption. So